My next session is about get cash by scanning your receipt. We all buy groceries on a regular basis, so why not get back some cash from it? eBot makes it simple. eBot is a free downloadable app. Shop for products at your favorite store, which covers 146 supported stores including Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and Walgreens. They offer 50 cents if you upload a picture of a receipt where you bought milk and offer $10 for a picture of Best Buy receipt. Now I will explain you the Iboto website. This is the Iboto website. You can see apps installed in the phone and tab at the right side. Now I am going to show you online debates. You can see when you buy the product you can get debates up to somewhat like $5, $3, $5 depending upon the product. Now I will show you how this works.
Hey there, welcome to Ibotta, the free app that pays you cash back whenever, wherever you shop. Let's get started. Once you're registered, choose a category, like grocery, apparel, or say electronics. Select a store nearby and browse through the available rebates. And when something catches your eye, tap it. Then just complete the task to unlock your money. The task can be anything from watching a video to answering a question or any other fun activity. Once you've done that, go to the store and buy your items. After you've checked out, simply tap Redeem. Scan your products and snap a picture of your receipt. Or if you've connected your store loyalty card to Ibotta, just use it as you normally would at checkout and we'll take care of the rest. Either way, you'll receive your money within 48 hours, along with a notification when it arrives. You can then transfer your cash into your PayPal or Venmo account, or use it to get a gift card for the places you love. It's so simple, you can do it every time you go shopping, no matter what you're shopping for. So go ahead and start earning hundreds of dollars just for shopping with Ibotta. Download the free app today.
Now I am going to click how it works. You can see there are 3 ways to earn. 1. By shop online, submit a receipt, link a loyalty account. First one, shop online. You can see join eBot, unlock rebates, shop online, get cash. Next one is submit a receipt. Download the app, unlock rebates, go shopping, verify your purchase, get cash. You can see the scanned picture in the mobile phone. As I said, there was 147 supported stores including Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Walgreens and all. Other one is link a loyalty account. Join eBot, link your store loyalty account, unlock rebates, go shopping, get cash. You can also get gift cards from Amazon, Best Buy. Earn even more by teamwork, promo cards, bonuses, invite friends and all. That's all. Hereafter, scan the copies and get money. You should note that eBot only works in United States. When you're going to sign up, it shows like that. Start making money by this method and save some cash.